Hi folks, Marcus here, and today at CountryWoodSmoke HQ I'm going to be cooking a beautiful big steak on the Weber Summit charcoal. So I've got this beautiful bit of dry aged sirloin here. What I'm going to do is sear it and then remove it and slowly cook it indirect up to temperature. This is going to be amazing. Okay, so simply insert the meter plus probe into the steak, making sure the line halfway up is fully into the meat. Then season with some salt. And pop on the grill. Okay, I'm simply going on direct with this. Shut the lid down. Okay, so the meter's saying this steak's ready. Let's get this off and leave it to rest. Love how that fat there, it's like butter, it's just crisps up. Let's have a dive in and see how we've done. Looking for about medium rare, medium on this. That looks perfect to me. Oh boy, look at that. Lovely pink colour. That's perfect. That bit with that fat on's got my name on. Let's have a taste. Oh wow, it smells amazing. Oh boy. That is a beautiful bit of steak. Cooked on the Weber Summit charcoal. So easy, with a little bit of help with the meter plus. So easy to cook a beautiful steak. Definitely a winner. Brilliant bit of kit this, loving it. So if you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, remember that box down there, hit it, like, comment, let me know you like what I'm doing. Cheers.